Hi everyone, I'm Zain. Before we get into today's topic, I want you to take a second and think about the last time you bought something. A new shirt, a gadget, or maybe paying for a subscription to help with your college assignment. Now, think about how you made that decision. Did you walk around a physical store for hours? Or did you just pull out your phone, scroll, and read a few reviews, and then click buy? For most of us, it's definitely the second one. Our daily habits have completely shifted to our screens, and this shift hasn't just changed how we live as a consumers. It has completely rewritten the rules for businesses. Today, for my English class presentation, I want to have a relaxed chat with you about why the internet is the ultimate game changer for the economy. We are going to explore 5 major advantages of the internet for business. The first huge advantage is the concept of a borderless market. Let's imagine you want to open a traditional physical store. You are instantly limited by geography. Your potential customers are strictly the people who live nearby or who happen to walk past your street. And basically, your store has a maximum capacity. But when you take that business online, those physical walls disappear. Your storefront is your website or your web app. Suddenly, you aren't just selling to your city, you're selling to the entire country or even the whole world. 10,000 people can visit your server at the exact same second without anyone feeling crowded. Plus, the internet doesn't have operating hours. It doesn't close at 9 p.m. While you are fast asleep, your website is still awake, processing orders from someone in a completely different time zone. That kind of global 24/7 reach was simply impossible 30 years ago. Advantage number 2 is how businesses actually find their customer. We call this laser targeted marketing. In the past, marketing was a guessing game. You would pay for a huge billboard on the highway and just hope the right people saw it. If you sell gaming hardware, a billboard is seen by everyone, most of whom don't care about your product. It is a waste of resources. But the internet changed that through data. With digital marketing, you don't guess, you know. You can tell an algorithm, hey, I only want my ads to be shown to college students who recently searched for PC building tutorials and love tech. You stop interrupting people who don't care, and you start providing solutions to people who are actively looking for what you have. It is incredibly efficient. That brings us to the third point, cost efficiency and automation. Starting a traditional business used to require a mountain of capital for rent, physical security, and a large staff. But today, the barrier to entry is almost zero. You can get cloud hosting and deploy a beautiful web app or e-commerce site for just a few dollars a month. You don't even need a physical warehouse if you sell digital products or use dropshipping. And then there is automation. The internet allows software to do the heavy lifting. Instead of hiring a team to manually answer repetitive questions, you set up an AI chatbot. Instead of manually recording sales, your database does it instantly. A small team of 2 people can now run a business that generates the same output as a huge corporation did decades ago. Point number 4 is about the people who build the business. The internet gives you access to a global talent pool. In the past, if your company was based in a specific town, you could only hire people who live in that town or were willing to move there. Now, geography doesn't matter for your workforce either, because of cloud computing and remote collaboration tools. You can build a dream team from anywhere. You could be managing your business from your room, while your front-end React developer is in Europe and your marketing manager is in Australia. The internet allows businesses to hire the absolute best person for the job, no matter where they live. Finally, point number 5 is the relationship you build with your customer. Pre-internet, communication was one way. A company talked at you through TV commercials. If you had feedback, you had to mail a physical letter. Now, business is a two-way conversation. Through social media and forums, businesses build actual communities. If there is a bug in your software or a flaw in your product, you don't wait months to find out. You see it immediately on Twitter or in your reviews within hours. This instant feedback loop allows businesses to adapt rapidly and give customers exactly what they want. So, let's wrap this up. The internet gives us a global, borderless market, data-driven, targeted marketing, massive cost efficiency through automation, a borderless global talent pool, and real-time community-driven feedback. Whether you're a giant tech corporation or just a student building a startup from your laptop, the internet provides the exact same infrastructure to succeed. It completely leveled the playing field. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope this gave you some valuable insight. Have a great day, everyone.